Jordan brand continues to expand its lifestyle lineup with the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Football Gray, a refined take on the iconic silhouette set to release in spring 2026. This pair focuses on subtle craftsmanship rather than loud contrast, featuring a premium textile construction in a soft football gray tone. The canvas upper is paired with tonal stitching and a matching swoosh, creating a clean and minimalist appearance. Floral embroidery on the toe box adds a unique detail, while the swoosh stands out with a textured, hair-like finish. Inside, Chinese characters printed on the insoles hint at a possible Lunar New Year influence, though nothing has been officially confirmed. Cream-colored laces and lining complement the neutral palette, while a brown rubber outsole adds a vintage-inspired touch. Classic Nike Air branding on the tongue and the Wings logo on the heel keep the OG identity intact. Designed as a low top with lightweight materials, this release is positioned as an easy everyday sneaker. Full family sizing is expected, with pricing details to be announced closer to launch.